Hello everyone, welcome back to Take Log. So today in this video I'll show you how to log into Tesco Car Insurance. First of all, open a browser. You can use any of the browser. For now I'm using Chrome browser. Here on search bar, search for Tesco Car Insurance. Now here you can see a list of links. Go to first link. Click on it. Once you tap on it, it will open up official website of Tesco Car Insurance. Here you can see two options, login or register. If you haven't registered yet, then go to register and register first. If you have already registered, then go to login option. Now it will navigate you to this interface where you can log in. Here enter your username and then it will ask you for password. Type in password and then click on login button. So this is how you can log in Tesco Car Insurance. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.